Greetings fellow foodies. On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of restaurants to go to while in Vancouver, Canada. And here is our disclaimer. Our recommendations are based on price, taste, originality, hygiene, restaurant environment, hospitality, food presentation, and family friendly. The videos will have the pictures of food and restaurant in hope that you can sense the ambience within and decide which one is the most well suited for you and your loved ones. Some of the pictures presented are solely for reference, and some of the pictures are from the restaurant's profiles and specifications. The pictures are presented in an easy layout in hope to give better information for the viewers and future potential visitors. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice of top restaurant to visit in Vancouver, Canada will be Boulevard Kitchen and Oyster Bar. We'd suggest that you try the turkey breast with gravy and mashed potato with cherry chocolate cake for dessert. Our number two choice will be Joe Fortes Seafood and Chop House. This is an American seafood steak restaurant. We suggest that you try the oyster, the mussels, and the steak. Our number three choice will be Fanny Bay Oyster Bar and Shellfish Market. Fanny Bay is a seafood restaurant, and we suggest that you try the caviar, oyster, and clam chowder. Our number fourth choice will be the Coast Restaurant. This is a seafood and sushi restaurant. Our number fifth choice will be the L'Abattoir, a French restaurant. Try the tartare, tuna, quail, and rum cake. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram, JazzyFeast. Until next time, goodbye.